Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito drink with soda. First, gather your fresh ingredients for the best flavor. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and half an ounce of simple syrup. Don't forget your club soda or sparkling water to top it off. Using fresh ingredients truly makes all the difference in creating a vibrant and delicious mojito. Next, place your mint leaves and lime juice into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle them together, just enough to release the aromatic oils from the mint without tearing the leaves. Then, add your half ounce of simple syrup and 2 ounces of white rum. Fill the glass completely with ice cubes, ensuring your drink will be perfectly chilled and refreshing. Now it's time for the fizz. Top off your glass with club soda or sparkling water, filling it to the brim. Give the drink a gentle stir to lightly integrate the soda with the muddled ingredients and spirits. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your mojito with a fresh lime wedge and a vibrant mint sprig. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly crafted, refreshing mojito. To customize your mojito, feel free to adjust the amount of simple syrup to match your preferred sweetness level. You can also experiment with flavored simple syrups, like ginger or berry, for a unique twist on the classic. For an effortless cleanup after your cocktail crafting, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic tool for keeping your home spotless. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Always use a tall, slender glass for that classic, elegant mojito look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.